Come on.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep at the bong bong bong. Your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fait on my tête, chocolate, fine fine, no baguette.
Cherry tomatoes. This is like it's the DJI Osmo. Yeah.
Alex, Abs.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of making it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
Good morning, y'all. So the plan is to kind of explore today. I have started my day a bit late though. It is like 4 p.m. and now is the time I've decided to leave, which is really bad. But the thing is, I kind of slept in today, which was really nice. And now I'm just gonna pass by Tim's uni just to say hey. And then after that, we'll see where the wind takes us. Unfortunately, it might get dark at some point. So I'll try to do this better tomorrow. But you know, baby steps. I don't know, I might also go to like sorry, I got a cross. I might go to a cafe, sit down, edit some videos, and maybe also apply for a few jobs. Because you know, it is that season after all. So yeah, maybe that's the plan. But we'll see. I guess today is a true solo day in Plovdiv. Alright y'all, I must admit I began my explorations a little bit too late because as you can see it's already getting dark. I'm at the park. I've been to this park before as well, and every time I say I've been there before, just to reference my previous Bulgarian vlog, there'll be a few videos down, but yeah, like 2 or 3 videos down honestly. It's been a minute since I've been on the YouTube gang, but yeah, definitely should have started my exploring earlier, and I think I was ambitious carrying like my laptop and everything at this hour. I should have just like carried it my book, or even just like, you know, nothing, so I could just walk around comfortably. I'm gonna look for like a cafe now just for like a quick coffee or something, but to be fair, I look, you just want to go home, you know. But I'm gonna try and keep the explorer spirit going. Back home guys, and what a fail. I mean, I ended up just walking around, even though I didn't really go and sit in a cafe like I had planned. I just went and walked around, and then later I just picked up Tim from the uni and now we're home. And yeah, now we're probably just gonna order food. We'll try and order from a place where we haven't ordered before, I guess, just so we can I can try something new. But tomorrow we will do a proper day of exploring. Hello everybody. So yeah, yesterday we tried exploring and we failed. I'll try and go to the area that I initially wanted to go to yesterday. Today we're gonna try and go to the Kapana district. Technically I've also been at the Kapana district before, but today I want to go try a new cafe and stuff. And then also I'm thinking of going to this place called Old Town, which is I guess like the olden style buildings of Bulgaria, of Plovdiv. And I'm interested to see what's there. We'll see how cutesy it is. I think it just has like really nice and colorful buildings, but I'm not sure. I've tried not to search it up too much, so it doesn't like spoil it for me. But yeah, that's the plan. And then I think later I'll just go to a cafe, sit down, edit a little bit, and then eventually come back home. We might go for dinner tonight, so I'll take you guys along with me as well. Also, the tacos we had last night, it was bussin'. That was so delicious. It was a lot of food though. Like, I couldn't finish, but it was so good. Like, sombrero was yummy. It was delicious. I loved it. So yeah, let's head on out to go and explore a bit of Plovdiv. As you can see, it's bright, it's pretty. Love it here, love it here. So now we're headed to Old Town, I believe. Depending on if I get hungry on the way, we might go to a cafe first. But I think I want to take advantage of the daylight. So I think Old Town might be our first stop. So yeah, let's go.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
Not gonna lie to y'all, I was lost for a few minutes there because I've basically been half an hour away for the past half hour. So yeah, I think now we're back on track, so let's get it. Alright y'all, I don't know if you can see, but we finally made it to the Old Town. My first hint was the cobblestone, and then all of these nice looking buildings, these old school buildings. I think I've just entered. This is already so cute. I love it. Let me show you. So much to see. Like, I like how it just feels cozy here. I like how narrow the streets are. I will say it's a bit uncomfortable to walk with the cobblestone and everything, but thank God I wore comfortable shoes that also have like a little bit of like elevation, so I'm not feeling the stones. But yeah, this is so nice. I'm happy I came out here, even though it took me a while. I think I've been walking for like an hour, but it's so fun and it's definitely worth it. So we're gonna keep exploring and see what we can see or find in the Old Town. But yeah, I really like the vibe so far. It's so cozy. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last, now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo, to the love of our life. Right below it. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. I'm used to the money.
You want the bag?
I think that will be fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Good time in the country.
Thank you. All right, y'all. You guys know I love to get me some magnets every time I'm away. The last time I was here, I forgot to get one, and then I asked him to bring me one, and it was not giving. Respectfully. Yeah, it was just a bit too generic, and now I got one that you saw, and it's like definitely giving Old Town. I would have loved it if it was just the houses, because usually, you know, I don't like it having like the name of the place. Like, I don't like it to just stick out. I kind of just want whatever I've experienced to be shown in the magnet, but the houses are good enough. Plus, yeah, that was super cute. I really loved that. And I'm just walking around. Maybe I'll get a second magnet, we'll see. But so far so good, and everything is so pretty, honestly.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like.
Hey, who called you?
I feel it for me. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all.
I've truly enjoyed exploring the old town. It's so pretty, and I'm seeing they have fairy lights around here. Oh my gosh, wait, do you guys see that? Oh, it must look so nice here in the evening. Love it. But yeah, now the mission is to find sorry, the mission now is to find a nice looking restaurant, or just any restaurant really, so that one, I can charge my phone and find my way back home, because at the moment, guys, I have no clue where I am and where I'm going. But yeah, today has been such a good day, just walking around. Oh, honestly, love this. This is truly a must visit place if you're in Plovdiv. And may I say, the views that you get from up here, insane views of the city. I honestly can't even put it to words, and I hope the camera has somewhat done it justice, but trust me, this just looks so beautiful. Ooh, I have found a restaurant. Can I have a hot chocolate?
White and brown.
The brown one is fine, yeah. Let me start with the hot chocolate, and then we'll see. Yeah. And can I maybe charge my phone? Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. So I'm basically wondering if I should eat here, but then since Tim and I have dinner plans later, I think I will save myself for that. The place is really beautiful. I think I do prefer the outside seating area, but inside is getting classy, it's getting old money, so I'm about it. It's definitely fancy, but let me look at the menu so I can actually see what they offer here. Thank you very much. Guys, we are recharged. I had a nice cup of hot chocolate, and now it's time to head back home. It is getting dark. I guess I didn't end up doing the whole editing thing, but it's so fine, guys. I think I just wanted to be in the moment, enjoy everything about today. It was so beautiful, and yeah, I can't complain. I love it. I loved it today. Oh my gosh, guys, turns out if I only walked a few meters down, I would have figured out where I am, because I do. And I am in the Kapana district near the mosque. This is actually the mosque. I think I could get home right now without having to use my phone. And this is from memory from the last time, so that's pretty cool. Technically, this is the area I guess I wanted to come to find a cafe and stuff. Thank you.
But two bread ones.
I'm even matching the aesthetic.
Yeah. Pizza capriccio. For the starter, I'll take my French onions. Thank you.
Oh, I thought I'll do.
You can still have that.
Yeah, I'll nibble on yours.
I can't wait to nibble on whatever you have.
You can share like a mascarpone cream with fresh strawberries.
Ooh. Sounds great. Now cheese, here. Yeah, I'm very hungry. Thank you very much. Good, so let's
Mama.
Oh, dinner was amazing. Honestly, such a good place. I think our overall rating, if we had to give it out of 40 based on like the things we had drinks, starters, mains, and I guess overall ambience, we would say a solid 37, which is a high score in my opinion, or maybe even 35. Let's say 35 because maybe the drinks is where they lost points. I loved the ribs. However, I have to say, I wish they had reduced some of the fat that was on the ribs before, grilling them or whatever, or smoking them, but it was so good. It was so good. The pizza though, the pizza is that star for real. Like the bread, the dough is just fantastic. The cheese, those pulls, the cheese pulls one. Honestly, La Petite or Le Petit Paris. Yeah, we'll definitely be going back at some point. But I feel like Bulgaria, in terms of cuisine, they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Even though I haven't had any official Bulgarian dish except the tripe soup that one time, everything else they really know how to do.
Ja, hoffe ich. Bye. Winning.
Make me tell you this, I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving, they got me feeling sick. Like say you forgetting who you're dealing with. And I feel like when I'm at work non-stop. You know good more than I when I come back. Sometimes good yeah, come out from that. If you walk and leave, yeah, when I come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall.